Let's check the issue first. As you can see, we can't install Windows Sandbox. Let's fix this issue. Power off the Windows first. Now go to the Edit Virtual Machine settings. Next, go to the Processors section. We need total processors cores 4, so change to 4 cores. Now select the Virtualize Intel VTX CPT or AMD VRVI option. Now let's check. As you can see, it's fixed now. All links and useful information is now available in our blogs. I hope it can help you today. If you have any issues, please let me know in the comment section. If you like our videos, then please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for latest updates.